In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Navbar UI in Figma. We'll go from finding a ready-made navigation bar to opening it in your workspace and tailoring it to match your brand. I'll explain each action and share practical tips so you can move confidently and avoid common pitfalls. First, head over to figma.com in your browser. Figma works great on the web and keeps everything synced, which makes it simple to follow along. If you prefer using the desktop app, the interface looks nearly identical, so what you see here will still make sense. Once the site loads, you're ready to explore the vast library of community-made resources. Next, click on Community. This is Figma's built-in hub where designers share files, UI kits, and templates. It's a goldmine for starting fast without reinventing the wheel. Inside Community, you'll find search categories and helpful previews. Think of it as a gallery where you can browse and then bring designs directly into your own space. In the search bar, type Navbar UI. You'll see results that include files, components, and sometimes plugins. Look for file results that showcase complete navigation patterns. A quick tip: glance at the preview images and descriptions to gauge quality, check how recently the file was updated, and read any notes from the creator about usage or restrictions. Choose a template that fits the look you're going for and click on it. Open the file's details page to get a closer preview. This is a good moment to verify what's included. Variations like light and dark modes, drop-downs, and mobile responsiveness. The more thoughtfully structured the file is, the easier it will be to modify later. Now click Open in Figma. This action brings a copy into your workspace so you can edit freely. After it opens, you'll see the frames, layers, and components exactly as the author designed them. If the file includes multiple pages, take a brief look around so you know where the navbar variants and styles live. Finally, customize it, replace any placeholder logo with your brand mark or a simple text label, update the navigation labels to reflect your pages, tweak colors to match your palette, and apply your typography so headings and links feel cohesive. If the navbar uses auto layout, adjust spacing, padding, and alignment to keep everything responsive. Check constraints and resizing settings so the bar scales nicely at different widths. For consistency, convert the navbar into a component and create variants for states like hover, active, and mobile. Before you wrap, test it on common artboard sizes and make sure link contrast is readable. Rename layers clearly so teammates can find what they need quickly. And that's it, your navbar is ready to use and reuse across your designs.